In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and head over to your main team space overview. This is usually where you see all of your key spaces, lists, and projects. From here, we're going to switch into a calendar view so we can actually see our content laid out over time. Look for the calendar option in the top area of your ClickUp interface and click on it. This calendar view is what turns your regular task list into a visual content calendar, showing you exactly what's coming up on each day, week, or month. On the calendar, you'll see existing tasks displayed as blocks on specific dates. Find the task labeled Task 1 and click on it. This opens up the task details in a panel where you can edit everything related to that piece of content. Inside the task, follow the highlighted areas one by one. These highlights typically indicate key fields you'll want to set up for a useful content calendar. Start by checking the task name and making sure it clearly reflects the content item, like a video title or blog post name. Then move through the highlighted sections to review things like assignee, status, and any custom fields your workspace uses for content, such as content type, channel, or priority. Next, follow the highlight that takes you to the due date or schedule section. This is the heart of your content calendar. Click into the date field, then select the month at the top of the date picker. Choose January 2026 so you're scheduling this task in the correct time frame. Once you're in the right month, click on the specific day you want this content to go live or be completed. Confirm the date so it appears on your calendar. Continue clicking through the remaining highlighted areas in the task. These may guide you to add a description, attach files like briefs or thumbnails, or set subtasks for different stages of production. Taking a moment to fill these in will make your calendar much more actionable for you and your team. Back on the calendar view, look for the section that shows 3 overdue tasks and click on it. This gives you a quick overview of content that's fallen behind schedule. Then click on Overdue itself to see the list filtered by overdue items. Use the final highlighted control to adjust those tasks. Open them, update dates, or move them to new slots on your calendar so your content plan stays realistic and up to date. By following these steps, you've turned a simple task list in ClickUp into a functional content calendar that keeps your schedule clear and your content on track.